इस एक्सरसाइज को करने के लिए आपको कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव का ज्ञान होना चाहिए।
For this exercise, you need to understand the concept of comparative and superlative. For example, comparative sentence. I am comparing the number of pens I have in each hand. I have 5 pens in my right hand and 2 in the left. So, I have more pens in my right hand than in the left. This is comparative sentence. The superlative sentence to this situation would be, I have the most number of pens in my right hand.
अब बस आपको इन वाक्यों में सही ऑप्शन चुनकर इसे पूरा करना है।
Choose the correct option and complete the sentence.
It is better. I thought. As, then, than, like.
The answer would be, it is better than I thought. Note the use of then. This is a comparative sentence. Now, it's your turn to try.
Tamil Nadu is Kerala. Bigger as, bigger than.
Tamil Nadu is bigger than Kerala.
He is in the college. The best, best, better than, as good as.
He is the best in the college. This is a superlative sentence.
I'm not as successful. He is as, like, than, then.
The correct answer is, I am not as successful as he is.
It's music album in the pop genre. Finer, finest, the finer, the finest.
It's the finest music album in the pop genre.
It was that I expected. Cheaper, cheapest.
It was cheaper than I expected.
This is the shirt I've ever seen. Cleaner, cleanest.
The correct answer is, this is the cleanest shirt I have ever seen.
Which is, of the 5 questions, the easier, the easiest.
What is the correct answer? It is, which is the easiest of the 5 questions?
He finished than everyone else. More quickly, quicker.
He finished quicker than everyone else.
The underground is buses. More expensive, most expensive. The most expensive. More expensive than.
The underground is more expensive than buses. That's the right answer.
The plane would be than the coach. More quickly, quicker.
The plane would be quicker than the coach.
It was test I have ever done. The most hard, the hardest.
It was the hardest test I have ever done.
The second last sentence is, there were people at the game than expected. Most, more, many.
There were more people at the game than expected. That is correct.
And finally, here is the last one. The difficult thing is communication. More, most.
The most difficult thing is communication. That is the correct answer.
अगली एक्सरसाइज में हम क्रिया विशेषण के सही स्थान निश्चित करेंगे। याद रहे कि क्रिया विशेषण को उस शब्द के सबसे करीब रखना चाहिए जिसे उसका वास्ता हो।
In this exercise, we will try and give the adverb its rightful place. Remember, always place an adverb as near as possible to the verb or action word. It modifies. Which sentence is correct?
Never. I never go there. I go never there. Never I go there.
The correct answer in this sentence is I never go there.
Usually. I usually get up at 6:30. I get usually up at 6:30.
Here, the correct answer is I usually get up at 6:30.
Generally. I don't generally read a newspaper. I don't read a newspaper generally.
You will say, I don't generally read a newspaper.
अगला शब्द है rarely. Rarely I go there. I rarely go there.
I rarely go there. That is the correct answer.
The next word is soon. I'll do it soon. I'll do soon it. I'll soon do it.
The correct usage here is I'll do it soon.
Frequently. I'm frequently late for work. I frequently am late for work.
I am frequently late for work is the correct answer.
Always. I am on time always. I am always on time.
What is the correct answer? I am always on time.
Let us move on to the last two words. Yet. I haven't finished yet it. I haven't finished it yet.
Here, the correct answer is I haven't finished it yet.
And the last word is now. I want now it. I want it now.
The correct usage is I want it now.